Hey there. Summer looks free until you add up camp fees, sports registration, gear, and the days out in between. And by then, it's already spent. Let me walk you through the summer activities and kids' camp budget planner. Tab by tab, start on the dashboard. Your summer budget, what's committed so far, what's left, and the cost broken down per child. Camp and Programs lists every camp with its dates, cost, deposit, balance due, and registration deadline. The deadlines are the part that catches people out. The weekly schedule lays summer out week by week, so you can see the gaps where nobody has anywhere to be. Activity comparison sets your options against each other on cost, hours, and location before you commit. Family outings covers the day trips, estimated against actual, because these are the costs that quietly stack up. Sports and Leagues captures the true all-in cost of a season. Fees, registration, equipment, uniform, and tournament costs, not just the sign-up price. The supply checklist tracks the gear each activity needs, estimated and actual, with what's already bought. And end of summer compares what you planned against what you spent, so next year's budget starts from something real. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.